Hey flooring friends, watch me set up our Solana Beach store for our new Hot Days Cool Floors summer promotion by Shaw. Currently unboxing the materials I'm going to be using to decorate the store. I see a lot of stickers and posters. Starting off easy, we're going to set up with the fold up brochure. We're going to keep that at the front desk there. Next thing I'm going to be setting up is going to be the stickers. This is going to be the most tedious part since it is going to be sticking individual pieces onto each sample. I try to be a little bit strategic with it. So obviously I'm going to put it on our Cortec LVP, our Shaw carpet, Anderson Tuftex carpet, and of course both our Anderson and Shaw wood. Since we have so many samples in our store, I unfortunately did not have enough stickers to put on each sample. Maybe I can ask my rep for a few extras to make it nice and pretty. And for our first sign, I figured I'd put this one right up front. And here's me washing the window outside for no reason because I didn't realize that the sticker was double-sided, so you'll see me wash the inside of the window and put it on. But hey, I did my bosses a favor. Next, it was time to tackle the big poster, and I figured right there would be a perfect spot for customers to see as they're walking out the door. And of course, it is double-sided so customers can see outside of our window as well. Last but certainly not least, I put the stickers of the different finance programs right on the countertop for customers to see when they approach the front desk. Alright guys, and here's a little tour of what the showroom now looks like. We're so excited for this promotion to start July 1st. I hope you had a great time watching me decorate the room, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys!